Welcome, friends of the Greasy Shop Rag. I'm coming to you today from in front of the big ass toolbox, and I want to talk a little bit more about how I use this as a work center, kind of an office, and not just a toolbox. You know, I wear a lot of hats around here, and I spend a lot of time on a computer. Anything from sending out quotes for landscaping or maybe Automower installs. Maybe I'm working on our web page or social media or doing billing for a landscape crew. I just spend a lot of time on a computer. And if you've been following these videos, you know that I have a monitor in here. Well, let me show you what I got. So right here is my laptop, all right? Over here, keep my keyboard, my mouse, right? But I don't use the laptop visually. I keep a monitor up here, and you can see it takes up quite a bit of space up here, but it also pulls out. All right, so let me just back up here a little bit so you get an idea what we're talking about. It actually pulls out way more now that I've modified it than it did before. It used to only pull out about yay far. But what I want to show you is that if I'm sitting here on my stool, working here on this desktop, this is eye level for me right here. All right. Well, you don't even see the monitor hardly. It's way up there. You know what that does to the back of a guy's neck after a few hours of working on a computer? Well, it sucks. So what I wanted to do was get that monitor lower, or get my stool higher or something. Let me get you set up here a little bit, and I'll just kind of give you an idea what I've done. So now that I've put this thing on a longer arm, it swings way out, which is wonderful because it clears this now, and I should be able to drop it down. What I've done to drop it is I made this arm. This is a standard wall mount for a TV right here, and it used to be bolted right there. So this thing didn't swing out far enough that I could physically drop it, even if I came up with a way to do it. What I've done is built this up right here. Let me just show you. How am I going to do this? I'll set you up right here. Maybe you'll be able to see what's going on. So if I kind of just support this here and pull this pin, and this piece is just going to slide down. Now we dropped it almost a foot. And you can see as I'm standing here, you know, now we're talking eye level standing. And when I sit down here, put this back on the tripod, when we spin you around, now all of a sudden eye level, I can catch at least half the monitor. I only got to look up just a wee bit. And we can turn this a lot of different ways, whatever I need. If I'm going to be working on the bench over here, which is a frickin' mess, and I've got a chainsaw hooked up to auto tune, maybe, I mean, I can pull this right here while I'm working on the saw and do my testing, or maybe I'm working on an Automower and I got it plugged in and doing updates. I like it. That's going to work good. My neck still hurts from last Friday. I'm going to put you up here again, and then we're going to put this back. So all I have to do is lift this up until I hear it click. Then I know this pin is locked in over the tab. And then it's just a matter of pushing it back in. Push it all the way in. Grab our pull cord. All right. There we go. So there you have it. update on the computer monitor extender doohickey. Thanks for watching. Later.